A warning this evening for more women to take breast cancer seriously and do early screening. Studies show that less than 10% of women are screening for this deadly disease. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
The breast is the most common site for cancer in Jamaican women. Breast cancer affects women from as early as age 25, which is why screening is highly recommended. Consultant radiologist at the University Hospital of the West Indies, Dr. Daria Cornwall, says mammograms are typically used as a screening tool.
43 out of every 100,000 women in Jamaica have breast cancer. It is said that the lifetime risk of developing breast cancer in Jamaica is 1 out of 21, meaning out of every 21 group of women, 1 have breast cancer or will get breast cancer. So look at the offices. In our offices, in our churches, in this audience, right here, any place where you find a group of 21 women, 1 will have breast cancer or will get breast cancer.
Dr. Cornwall says not enough women are being screened for the condition. She says studies have shown that up to 70% of women in other countries detect the disease early.
Now, they have said, if you want to know if a country is screening, check to see how much early cancer they are finding. That is cancer in the in situ stage. Looking at this now, Shirley et al. Had done research looking at the pathology of breast cancer in Jamaica, and she found that we are only finding 7% of our cancers in the in situ stage. Are we screening? No.
The benefits of early screening will detect the cancer early when it can be treated. It also provides a better outcome for the affected individual.
The 5-year survival for finding early breast cancer is 98%, almost 100%. The treatment is less extensive. The cost of the treatment is lower. The cost to the woman whose breast it is lower. The cost to her family is lower. The cost to the country, to the government, the cost to everyone is lower when a cancer is found early.
Dr. Cornwall says it also saves on the cost of treatment. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.